Hello, friends. Welcome back again to our channel. I didn't want to encourage every one of my subscribers, if you are watching this video anywhere in the world, because this is a global platform, please join the IMM MMI mining platform. Please, on Safepal, very, very important. Join this mining. It's all you need is just your Safepal wallet account. Creating Safepal is very easy. It's not difficult. And like I always offer to help, if you don't know how to do this stuff, just chat me up on WhatsApp. I'm going to guide you, guide you step-by-step guide so they can guide those around you. Please. And I know that a lot of us, we're always scared, online stuff, we can't trust it. Some people may come up with the excuse of, we have done something like this before, it failed. Myself, I've done something like mining on Safepal once in a time, and that one lasted for 3 years, and so many people benefited from it. So this is the second time actually I'm doing another Safepal mining. I'm not going to tell you that it's going to last forever. I don't know how long it's going to be, but they have been there. But remember, life is risk on its own. I'm not trying to push you to join, but since it's making money, I encourage you to join. For those of us who heard about this since 1 month ago and say it may collapse, it still lasts. By now, you could have recovered. Or you put in there, bring in your friends, make more money from it, and they also help them to make. So, something that you have a minimum of $10 you can start with. You can tell yourself, let me put in $10. Another person might say, okay, let me just start with $20. You might say, okay, let me start with $50. Yes, if it works for you, that's great gain. If anything happens, maybe something you can say, okay, let me take this risk. Without risk, there's no return. So, as long as you are my subscriber on this channel, I'm encouraging you to join this miner. Remember what I said, I'm not pushing you to join. If you have made up your mind zero, that you're not going to join, don't allow me to persuade you right now. But if you are someone who believes in taking risk for returns, then you can start with $20, $10, you can do that. Just chat me up on WhatsApp. Let me guide you step by step. I have a video I have prepared that shows you, even if you are not there to guide you, you can watch that video and do everything. But contact me, I'll drop that video for you. So you go through it, you fund your account. If you don't know how to fund the account, especially if you're in Nigeria and you don't know how to buy USDC because you need USDC, you don't know how to do it, I can help you buy, I can help you buy that, I can help you do it and help you fund your account. So that's how it is. So I'm going to encourage you. You could see the system is only showing my last 10 withdrawals, but withdrawals I've made are so much. These are the successful withdrawals. The withdrawal is so easy. Now look at this. This output. Output here means every hour, based on what you have, the system generates money every single hour. The reward part here is the people, my downlines, yes. And what the system rewards you a little as they are withdrawing, you get a little percentage and all that. And then you see the withdrawal. Anytime you want to withdraw, like today by around 7, I want to withdraw. I simply click on this maximum, whatever generated so far will be, I click on withdraw instantly. It doesn't take up to 1 minute, it's added. You can, compound it. If you are withdrawing without taking it out of the system, it compounds. So you might start with $20. Before you know it, you're already having $30. And the system generates more because your capital is now bigger. If you keep on like that, it may just go up and go up and up. And that's how the system, how fantastic it is. So I'm going to encourage you. You want to make money online, join the system. Chat me up and ask more of your questions. You can use the comment box and also that. But if you know how to do it, please, I will just drop the link, the miners link, follow through. But if you don't know, please let me guide you. Make sure, contact me, whatever, even if you can do it, contact me on WhatsApp. If you have done it, still contact me. Tell me you've done this so that any question you have, I can easily be there to answer your questions and much more. The reason why you need to contact me because once you join now, you're going to have a $26 bonus. Hash ID. You are going to use it. That one will be mining for you for 3 days. While your own income is mining for you, unlimitedly. Are you getting it? And that $126 free bonus dollars you're going to have, you don't know how to access. I'm the one that will link you up with a customer service that will give you that. So that's why you can't afford to miss. You know what $26 means? It can generate so much for you. So you don't need to miss it. That's why you need to be part. You need to contact me so that I can give you access to get free $26 immediately you put in this one. Please, 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 it's very important. So I'm looking up to you to be part of my team. I'm going to stop here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel so you can get more and more of every money making opportunity out there. Wish you the best. Thanks for watching.